Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Jeep Cherokee Limited, stock reference number 3888. This shape runs from the second month 2014 and is the current shape. It has a Pentastar 3.2 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. Pentastar 3.2 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has two small dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Less neck. Tailgate has a couple of small dents, camera type. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has a larger dent. Right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory sat nav, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.